Alright, we got some top 2 deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review of videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribing and like, so help out this channel by doing so. Got a pressure washer here, is gas, 330 psi, 3,300 psi, 449 down from 489. It's Craftsman, powered by Honda. You got a Simpsons Honda 595 down from 629, pressure washer, 3,400 psi. Alright, so these are the new Flex Works, or Flex Work, something like that, or Fuel Works, that's what they're called. 3-gallon gas can. I never seen these before. It says unloaded in 60 seconds. So kind of pricey though, $56.98. For this kind of price, you could probably get yourself a jerry can, a metal jerry can for that price. But you know, it's the convenience of unloading the gas, not carrying that weight. You got some mower blades here on clearance. It's just a bunch of mower blades. Craftsman 21-inch, 23 down from 25. I'm pretty sure these are going to drop even lower. A lot of people don't even buy these. You got a 6-in-1 blade, $13.97 down from $34. That's a good deal. You got a blade removal kit, $11.97 down from $14.98. Marker, Australia. You got a curved pergola, $5.98 down from $6.98. That's what it looks like, the box. And then there was a cobalt open box there. Didn't even have a price. You got these on clearance, these Auger Bits. I believe the 3-piece, if you guys could find the 3-piece, that's really cheap. A lot cheaper than this 4-piece. And this is actually a pretty good deal for $9.97. The Spider 6-piece spade bit set. And guys, I did see online that they start going like really cheap. I did not see a price on these, so make sure you guys check out your Lowe's. Check out the price on those, because it's like a little beanie with the flashlight built in. So, and these are a 12-inch miter saw blades. You got this toolbox. This is a 3-drawer Craftsman toolbox, $65 down from $77. You got a VersaStack soft tote, $54 down from $64. It's actually a pretty nice little tote. Even if you have another platform, you know, why not have something cheaper like this, and you can tie it up with some bungees or something. $269 Craftsman wood workbench. It's actually a pretty nice workbench. I really like the height, everything. I wish it was adjustable, but you know, it's pretty nice. $11.97. A trimming blade. So I don't know exactly what this is for, but you guys could figure it out if you're. You got a Sun 4 file, $6.37 down from $7. Some sort of file. It says replacement blade, 10-inch. Alright, so we got some Auger Bits. This store, for some reason, it has a lot of these deals. This is a really good deal, from $36 down to $10. This is 7/8 Auger Bit, and then you got a 3/8 Auger Bit down from 27 down to 16. So there's some really good deals. I remember last time I got a few of these. No, last time I saw these on sale, but yeah, these are great quality tools here. These are a little bit more expensive, maybe a little bit more common, but still, you're saving yourself quite a bit, some money there on that one. You got some blades here, 10-inch saw blades, combo, $31 and from $32, just a couple bucks off. $149 there from $179. It's a Craftsman 2-tool combo kit. These are brushless RP tools. These are pretty decent tools, even for a pro, somebody that's just starting out. You know, something cheaper that works. DeWalt DNA. You got these bits are kind of interesting. You guys do see the tips on these. Never seen this before. So never seen this before. I would imagine that these are easier to drill with, and these are impact rated, so these are, you can use it with your impact driver. Alright, $9.98, the DeWalt 7 1/4 24 tooth blades. $39.98 for the Flex Torque drive sets, 100 piece. Does come with a nice VersaStack or tough system, or not the tough system, the T, I don't know. The DeWalt, the other, it's not the tough system. They do have another system that they're called the T-Stack. Yeah, the T-Stack. So they do come with multiple blades, some drilling blades, some 2-inch bits, some 1-inch Tic Tac cases in there. So it's a pretty complete kit. You got some reciprocating saw blades, 16 piece, 24 bucks, not too bad. Guys, I did see this fan for on Amazon for around 66 bucks. It's the older version of this. I do have the older version of this. It does work. That's the one that takes the extension cord. Make sure you guys check it out. It is at Amazon, so make sure you guys look at that. Hopefully you guys are still finding it on sale. I believe they're clearancing it out because they're putting the new one in. They want to make some space. This is a nice mechanics tool set here. It is compatible with the Versa Stack, 54 bucks. Then I saw this, guys. It seems like they're going to get some new deals coming up. Seems like the new deals are dropping the 29th of this month. So make sure you guys, whenever something like that falls in, like the 29th, the 28th, even the 20th, make sure you guys stay glued on to all these deals, especially to YouTube channels, because that's when the overlap of those deals. That's when you can score some killer deals, especially when those new deals are dropping and they're mixing and matching with the old ones, stacking up with the older deals. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the it's very important because they do fall, and trust me, these deals do sell out. They should got the buy one get one free. I'm not gonna go over that because we already went over it on several different videos. You got the Chameleon from Bosch, 149. It's a 5-in-1 drill driver kit, 12 volts. This is very convenient. It does have the 90-degree angle and just a lot of stuff. You got the Freak for $99. As a matter of fact, I just posted right now. Yesterday. I posted yesterday, which is today, a deal like that for 69 bucks. So it's not. Make sure you guys, like I said, check out my my post, because I do post in the community post here at YouTube. If you're subscribed, you're gonna get those notifications there. And these are the new bits that they have from Spider. And then they have these. They catch my attention because they do have different type of lights. Reflective safety helmets. You got a rechargeable clip light, and then you got a rechargeable light head strap. So all sorts of stuff that they got in here. It says be seen after, be safer, or something like that. They got some for the helmets. Some lights for the helmets, different patterns, I guess. And they got a band here. You can put on your helmet. They got the buy more, save more. You guys did see make sure you guys check it out. My last video from Lowe's, I did see the buy one, get one free. So a lot of you were telling me that you guys are able to stack it with this deal. So that was $3.99, and you could get yourself, that $30 discount. Plus the free tool. So guys, if you guys want to go ahead and try it at your store, make sure you guys show them both of my videos, or all the deals. Make sure you guys take screenshots and stuff like that, and take it to the customer service. They might do it for you, they might not, so don't get mad if they don't. You got the grinder here for $125. It's actually cheaper. Did see another sticker for $55. So make sure you guys show them this sticker. Don't show them the $125. You got the buy more, save more, same thing with Bosch. You buy $450, save $150. You buy up to $449, save $75. You buy $299, you save $30. And it runs down to the 19th of this month. So the 19th of this month. Make sure you guys be careful with those dates, because there's like I said, there's a lot of deals on and off. $12.98 down from $17.98, 32 piece. This is actually not a bad little deal here. You got a 1-inch bits. You got, it looks like a sleeve, and then you got some 2-inch bits. It's pretty nice. Alright, I do apologize. Somebody's alarm's just going off like crazy and they're not shutting up. Anyways, do apologize for that sound. I don't know if you guys can hear that. You got the lithium ion with the 3 amp hour battery, $125, and then you got the 3 amp hour compact battery for $80, down from $89. You got the 2 amp hour lithium battery, Black & Decker. So yeah, these are kind of rare. Some Home Depot or Lowe's don't have them. This is the charger for $52. Some do. I remember somebody walking in and looking for something like this, and like I said, most of these brands or these batteries are just, they're going out of phase. They're just not selling as well. So with all these new power tool brands moving in, you know, all those are moving out. Got the cordless impact drill driver, 161 down from 179. You got a drill driver, 116, so one down from 129. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.